What's going on, guys? I'm up north in Michigan taking the dog for a walk, and as I'm walking down our walking trail that we always go down, this used to all be fully wooded green forest. Then it was all cut down. See, there's like giant piles everywhere, and now it looks like they're putting in grass, and I don't know what they're doing here. Maybe they're developing it. This windy path is what we're going up all the way to the top of the ski mountain over there. Should be pretty cool. Got doggo, and yeah, just adventuring today. Stopping for a quick break, have some water. The last part right there, it's really steep. Probably won't even look like it on video, but pretty much like that. Come on, B. My dog's name is Bentley, if you didn't know. But normally we'll do this hike at around midnight, and I'll bring my friends maybe after a few drinks, and usually don't even bring a flashlight because I know the path pretty well, but they don't, so it's really funny. So we call this a mountain walk. Today I'm gonna do this side all the way up. Oh, I'm dying. It's been too long. Too much quarantine. But yeah, so I'm gonna hit this side all the way to the top. Here, grab some pictures, and then go down the back side, different trail through the woods, end up at really cool river spot, and then back to the condo. Yeah. I've also kind of figured out this cool way to carry my A6000. I've got the grip underneath the strap, and I pop that little bungee on there so I can take pictures or video, whatever. If I need to move the camera more, I just unclip it, and then when I'm done, slide it back under that loop. As long as I don't bend down or do anything weird, it works. So that's nice because I don't have to carry a camera or worry about a lanyard or anything like that. And yeah, top's up there, big ski run right here. So headed all the way up there, gotta go around and up. Made it to the top. Chilling on a chairlift. It's nice and cool. Nothing better. If I didn't have the dog, I usually climb up there to take pictures and stuff. But yeah, we're on top of the ski hill. You'll recognize this from all of our Rooster Squad skiing videos. Playlist up in the corner, if you haven't seen any of those. Just enjoying it. When do you ever really get this much time off? Never, so use it. Oh my God, there's still snow. Wow, there are still piles of snow. That's normally the terrain park with jumps and stuff, and these are all the other runs. So we're gonna go that way, but the only question is, do I go that way? I think we're gonna go the longer way. So we're gonna go through this way, down all the way around by the river, pop out way over there, and then we'll loop back all the way around to the other side. Ripping. Pretty happy. You gotta tie yourself up, bud. Here we have it. Snow in May. It's May 15th or May 15th. Standing on a snow pile. There's a bunch of them. Should've brought my skis. Duh. the river connects here and loops all the way around up to the front. So I'm gonna show you guys where the front is. I've had it in past videos, but here's like the back section of the ski hill, and this is the red chairlift. There's actually some snow up there too. That's crazy. It must just be getting warm up here. But yeah, the river's down in there. It's the Cedar River, and hopefully it's not too buggy by the time I get down there. But it's getting nice and sunny. It's hot. Yeah. And now I'm just gonna jump through here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this adventure hike. I hope it wasn't too long. I don't know, I guess I'm probably gonna have to like fast forward a lot of the walking stuff, but just out here adventuring today, figured I would share kind of like a little vlog kind of hike. Me and Bentley out here. He has completely wrecked his face with mud, so he's gonna get a bath when we get back. And yeah, hanging out this weekend. Probably figure out some future videos. I am rocking some new gear EDC wise. So I'm testing all of that stuff out, and those videos will be coming out. And got some plans for maybe a new addition to the garage at home, and possibly selling some stuff. So I don't know, lots coming up, lots to look forward to during this weird time of quarantine where we can do stuff, but we can't do stuff. I know as much as you guys. So with that being said, hit that like button and consider subscribing. It means a lot, helps the channel grow, and gives me motivation to keep making videos. I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.